Hi guys, I want to do a quick binding video for this D4-2 ppm receiver FreeSky for the Wizard X220. So in order to bind this ppm, you need to short these two pins, 3 and 4, and with a supply plug. So you just plug it in. So this is not in ppm mode. So what you need next to do is to connect this to the connector on the quad to supply power. So let me zoom this in. So the white wire is a signal. So you see this, you need to plug into the first channel, which is the top one, and the signal wire is where the number 1 is. So I just plug in this way. Just put this a bit closer. Okay, the next thing to do is to set up a model. So I'm using my, I just press enter, copy, move it down, and that's it. So I go down, enter, select model. Okay, so I go page, I rename this to Wizard. So I go down, go up to DA mode. Before I press enter, I need to start this up first. So what you do is you press the button and while you connect the power. So you just do that first. Press the bind button. Connect. So you can see the two lights there. So now I just press enter on my so I think it's bound. So I just need to exit. Disconnect. So you can see the green light here. Just zoom in. The green light. That means it's bound. Let me just zoom out. Exit. So you can see the telemetry here. So which means that it's bound. So if I disconnect this, it will set telemetry loss.
RSSI critical. Telemetry lost.
So which means that it's connected. So that's how easy it is to connect the to bind the D4-2 to your FreeSky Taranis. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.